Amazon made a significant change to Alexa's privacy settings on March 28, 2025. The company removed the Do Not Send Voice Recordings option, meaning all voice interactions with Alexa devices are now automatically sent to Amazon's servers for processing. This change was implemented primarily to support Amazon's new AI-powered Alexa Plus features. The company states that advanced AI processing cannot be handled by the limited computing power of Echo devices themselves, requiring cloud-based processing instead. While the Don't Save Recordings setting still exists, it comes with significant limitations. When enabled, Amazon promises to delete recordings after processing your request, but this disables Voice ID, Alexa's ability to recognize different voices and provide personalized responses. Amazon's recent acquisition of Bee, an AI wearable startup known for devices that record virtually every word spoken by the wearer, signals the company's deeper push into continuous audio monitoring and AI-powered wearables. These changes raise significant privacy concerns. All your Alexa interactions are now processed and retained by Amazon's cloud infrastructure to train their AI models. This data includes not just your voice commands, but also patterns of usage that help create detailed profiles for personalization and potentially other purposes. Now that you understand how Alexa collects voice data, let's explore how you can manage and delete your voice history to protect your privacy. There are two main ways to access your voice history. First, through the Alexa mobile app. Navigate to More, then Alexa Privacy, then Review Voice History. The second method is through the Amazon website. Go to your account settings and find the Alexa Privacy section where you can review your complete voice history. Once you access your voice history, you have several deletion options. You can delete recordings individually, by specific date ranges, or delete everything all at once. You can also delete recordings using voice commands. Say, Alexa, delete what I just said to remove the last recording, or Alexa, delete everything I said today to clear today's history. It's important to be aware of privacy concerns. Amazon employees may review recordings, and there have been cases of data breaches and unauthorized access. Regular management of your voice data is essential for protecting your privacy. Remember, managing your Alexa voice history is an ongoing process. Regular deletion of recordings and careful management of privacy settings will help protect your personal information while still allowing you to enjoy Alexa's features.